no rule of re-evaluation.
Yes, sir.
And law is well settled. Unless rechecking can be there. Total, if there is a mistake in totaling, that can be rectified because rechecking of the marks allocated, whether they have been correctly counted or not, that can be done. But re-evaluation, you know it very well, right from 71 law, that it is done only if the rule permits.
Yes, Your Lordship, that's my precise point. If the Constitutional Court or the candidate cannot ask for re-evaluation, how the examiner can re-evaluate on his whims and fancies when he has himself finalized the marks?
We can't force that they should introduce the rule of re-evaluation. Most of the high courts, rather, none of the high court has the provision for re-evaluation.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm not asking for re-evaluation. My point is that once he has evaluated,
When did
yes.
you pass your law?
Sir, I've done it in 2017.
17?
Yes, sir.
And you are practicing otherwise?
Yes, sir, I'm an AOR.
Oh, then why you want to become a judicial officer?
Sir, I wanted to be, despite being an AOR, I appeared for this exam.
17 means another, are you now not qualified for superior judicial service?
I'm sorry, sir?
Are you not qualified for superior judicial service?
No, I do not qualify for the age bar, Your Lordship, right now.
10 years or 7 years?
7 years of practice, but 35 years of minimum age.
Here, this is something good for you that it has happened.
Yes, Your Lordship. The issue is that this has been transferred.
आपको एक किस्सा बता देता हूँ. आपको एक किस्सा बता देता हूँ. Then you will go happily because petition तो dismiss करनी पड़ेगी. Petition में तो कोई merit है नहीं. I had, when I was in law final year, I applied for judicial services, and at that time the final year students could apply. By the time the result came, the public, at that time high courts were not selecting, the Public Service Commission used to select it. So the written exam was held. I qualified the written exam. Meanwhile, Supreme Court judgment came, Ashok Yadav judgment, that sitting judge of the High Court will be the subject expert and his opinion will be binding on the commission. But all this time took months and months and months, and then I shifted High Court. So the senior most judge who was nominated for interview, I had argued two matters before him. The first my case argued was Sunita Rani vs. Baldev Raj, where he allowed my appeal in a matrimonial case, set aside the decree of divorce, which was granted by District Judge Amritsar on the ground of schizophrenia. So the same judge knew that I am appearing for interview because he had seen the list from the commission. So he asked me, he called me in chamber, do you want to become like this? Get out from the chamber. And I trembling came out the chamber, my all dreams were shattered. I thought I would become a judicial officer and he snubbed me like it. Next day again he called me in chamber. He said, if you want to become, you are welcome. But my advice is, don't become a judicial officer. The bar is waiting for you. These were the word he said. The bar is waiting for you. I came outside the chamber, decided not to go for interview. Did not inform my parents because I knew they will get annoyed. And after 2-3 months, I told some lie here and there, and I refused to go. Now tell me, my decision was wrong or right? So please don't insist for this case. Next year, appear for superior judicial services. All the best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.